London's diversity is one of its key strengths, and during festivities this really becomes evident and one of the things that makes this great city. Ramadan is a time of reflection, a time of joy and a time of sharing. And with the year everyone has just had, we needed as many things to give us a brighter outlook to the future.
The site for the installation is a busy transport intersection that people are in a journey constantly experiencing. Similarly, Ramadan is a spiritual transitional month that people around the world experience for a period of a lunar month. Our installation has been inspired by the moon, which depicts its phases and places it along the path that people can experience as segments or as a whole.
We were thrilled to be commissioned to design this installation by two sisters, Aisha and Zora, who were inspired to do something for their community to represent this holy month. This year, we've had it in London, but if you want it in your city, across the UK, across Europe, across the world, then get in touch and let's make this happen, inshallah.